This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And we are still going on stripping this bloody BMW. So on today's video we're going to start taking apart this air intake system. Also, I exposed my turbo to have a quick look at it. I haven't really inspected it yet, but I just had a quick look at it when I opened it up to make sure there's no play on the shaft and anything like that. Also, I started to loosen the tappet cover bolts that's on this side, as you can see, and we're also going to completely remove the air intake manifold. So that's as far as I got that day. So yeah, if you're interested to see on what to do, let's do it. I proceeded by taking off the pipe that goes from your air filter down to your turbo. And there's my turbo. I didn't believe the thing is so bloody small, but it still looks good. And I felt on the shaft there's no play at all, there's no movement, and it turns freely. And the fins itself doesn't look damaged, so I guess the turbo is 100%. At this point I proceeded to loosen all the bolts that is holding the tappet cover in place on this side. Now we're gonna start loosening out the air intake manifold. So first thing I did was remove this air intake hose, and then starting after that removing all the vacuum pipes and electrical connection pluggies. So I just want to show you guys, the only thing I did now is I took off this vacuum pipe that's on this fitting here. So I have to actually replace all these vacuum pipes, they are a little bit worn out. Here I was just loosening the bracket that holds the dipstick in place. Now we simply proceed by loosening all the bolts that are holding the actual air intake in place. I wish it was really as easy and as quick to strip a BM as this. I wish I was really this fast. Just remember, underneath your air intake manifold there is 2 vacuum hoses and 2 electrical plugs at the back that goes underneath. You have to take them off, otherwise you're not going to get this unit out.
Never gonna stop this, so I'm always gonna chase my heart. Even when it gets too dark, I never wanna see this break. Even if it's a mistake, always hoping that you're gonna come back and stay. But I'm starting to lose hope.
And there we go, guys. Now with the air intake manifold out of the way, I think we found our problem. You see where the water is leaking. This pipe I just repaired a few months ago, and you can also see there on the block where the water is coming out from the head gasket. So that's where I'm losing all my water from. So we have to take the head off, unfortunately. Hey guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. Give me a thumbs up, because it will really help out this channel. And feel free to drop a comment. Then something new for you all, there's now a Facebook page, so feel free to follow me on my Facebook group. We will be discussing behind the scene features and videos that I have done. Also, don't forget to go to my website at www.criptzone.co.za, where you can go straight to my podcasts if you want to. By clicking on the podcast icon, you'll be taken straight to the Anchor podcast page where I do my podcast. And remember, when you go to my YouTube page, there will be a place where you can subscribe to my channel. And remember, if you have any comments, please feel free to drop me an email. And on my YouTube front page, there is now a PayPal donation button where you can feel free to donate to this channel to help it grow and to help to support me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers.